Obalon Therapeutics, ticker symbol OBLN, shot up over 400% today. Now, this stock was trading around 80 cents per share a couple months ago, and it closed above $8 per share today. That's 1,000% gain just in the last couple months alone. Now, we all need to know why it shot up so much today, right? So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button, and if the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, click the subscribe button and become a bro. And also, if you share this video on StockTwits, make sure to tag me on there at ClayBro. I'm always interested in seeing which stocks you guys are interested in. So, Obalon Therapeutics, ticker symbol OBLN, shot up over 400% today on a merger deal. So they will be merging with Reshape Lifesciences, and the new ticker symbol will be trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol RSLS. So if you were wondering about getting into this stock, the stock shot up today because of a merger deal. Reshape Lifesciences wanted to merge with them because they're very excited about the technology that Obalon Therapeutics has to offer. Now, what were they doing? They have a 3-balloon system to help combat obesity, and really, at the end of the day, what it is, you swallow a little balloon, and then it helps your appetite feel like you're no longer hungry. It lowers your appetite to help obese people lose weight. So it's really a very beneficial, FDA-approved weight loss technology, and Reshape Lifesciences wanted to add it to their portfolio, so they decided to merge with them. And of course, the stock shot up around 500% today before settling around the $8 range, up 400% on one day. Now, I'm very interested because this was a penny stock that was not on my radar. So if any of you guys have this in your portfolio and you experience these gains today, please let us know down in the comments below, and let me know about other stocks too, because this was one that I was not aware of. So please, if you have another penny stock that you're interested in that you think could shoot up like this, make sure to let us know down in the comments below. We love to take advantage of these gains, but not only that, we love to see other people having success as well in experiencing these huge exponential gains, especially when it becomes 400, 500% in one day. It's extremely inspiring and extremely motivational when we can see these kind of gains take place, especially when people who follow the channel and are active in the comments below. So if you had OBLN in your portfolio, let us know. If you've got another stock on your mind or wanting to know whether it can do the same thing or if we should make a video on it, start a conversation down in the comments below, because these are always awesome and excellent opportunities for all of us to get involved in. So if you are going to be interested in further investing in Obalon and Reshape Lifesciences, you're going to need to know that the new ticker symbol is going to be RSLS for the combined company, and they will be trading on the NASDAQ. So if you like the content on this channel, guys, I know this was a short video, but don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, become a bro. And once again, if you share the video or if you want to start a conversation on StockTwits, at ClayBro on that app. And as always, I hope you guys have an awesome day.